Hello everybody and welcome back. Root Beer here, going through the grade 7 Gauss paper from the year 2000. We're on question number 18. Hopefully you had a chance to take a look at it, and if not, we can take a look at it together now. So, question 18, the month of April in the year 2000, so actually at the time of recording that's well over a decade ago, the month of April in 2000 had 5 Sundays, and I did double check. I took a little peek at this question before I recorded the video. I did double check, and that is true. So, if you had had a calendar handy at the time of this, it was written in May, so it was the year before, the month before. So if you had a calendar handy, or if you were just paying attention, you probably could have solved this question just by being in the right time. But regardless, there is still a math way to do this. So, month of April in 2000 had 5 Sundays. 3 of them fall on even-numbered days. Fantastic. The 8th day of the month is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. Okay. So, we have to be familiar with the calendar system that we use, and we also have to be familiar with the fact that April has 30 days. Okay? So, basic facts, I would just say April has 30 days. That's how I would start thinking about this. Because April is one of those times where you'll get 30 days. Some of them have 31. If we were talking about February, it would be 28 or 29 days. I don't think February can maybe have 5 Sundays. Just barely, I think. Oh well. Oops. So April has 30 days. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February. So what does a month look like? Well, we know we have 7 days in a week. I bet you we're going to have at least 1 week in this month. 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And we know we have 5 Sundays. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. So we have 5 Sundays. Okay. Now, the month might not start here. It might actually start up here. We might have a Saturday or a Friday or something like that. We don't know. But we are told we have 5 Sundays. Now, let's suppose that this first Sunday is on day X. Okay? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's actually fill in a bit more of this month. Doesn't have to be exact. It's a picture for our uses, not for anyone else's use. So x plus 1 will be this day. So if this was 2, this would be 3. If this was 3, this would be 4. If for some reason this Sunday was the first day, this would be 1. Then we get 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So the 5th day of the month would be on a Thursday. But whatever we do, this date here will be x plus 8. Okay. 7 days after Sunday, you get another Sunday. This one here will be x plus 15. This one here, if we continue on with the pattern, this will be x plus 22. No, sorry, x plus should be, this should be x plus 7, my mistake. X plus 7, x plus 14, x plus 21, and then finally x plus 28. Okay. So 1 is at least x. You can't start with 0, the 0th day of the month. That would be part of the previous month. And we know x plus 28, well, that can't be more than 30. It could be the last day of the month, day number 30, 30th of April, but it can't be the 31st or anything like that. So if we rearrange this, we take off 28 on both sides. we know x has to be 2. Sorry, x has to be between 1 and 2. All right. Now notice that if actually, what we could do is just pick these numbers out. The other piece of information, because we don't know if x is 1 or 2. Do we start the month there? Or do we start the month on an invisible Saturday up here? So the question we have to ask ourselves is, if x is 1, then our other Sundays are, well, we have the 1st, we'll have the 8th, we'll have the 15th, we'll have the 22nd and the 29th. But that can't happen. We need to have 3 even number Sundays. So we have only 2 even dates here. And so that means x will have to be 2, but let's just double check. So we get 2, 9, 16, 23, and 30. Yes. So that means that we now go back in red on here. So we'll have 30 in here, we'll have 23 in here, we'll have 16 in here, we'll have 9 in here, and we'll have 2. And we were asked, what's the 8th day? Well, the 8th day comes before the 9. So the 8th day is a Saturday. And we check, that's answer A. Okay, and we switch back to the black pen because we have another question to do. But we'll catch that next time. That's question number 19. And it looks like it's got a diagram associated to it. So if you haven't already, give it a shot before starting the next video. Either way, I'll see you guys then.